Hi, I'm Carol Fraser, naturopath, organic food grower, plant-based nutritionist, and I have just finished my workshop on naturalworkshops.com. We're doing a series of workshops that actually help you to become more sustainable and think about how you can maintain your well-being. Right now, we're in uncertain times. There may be shortages of food, there may not be, but I want to be prepared, and I'm showing people with my knowledge and wisdoms on this platform how to take care of their well-being, to grow foods indoors, to maintain wellness for diabetes too, and most essentially, how to make sure that you're getting the right amount of minerals for your cellular health to keep you well. Right now, we're coming up to the winter months. Some of us are noticing that we can't get as much water. Just the other week, I was told I could get 2 litres from my local shop. I often drink mineral water, but I've used tap water, and I'm using my shungite stones, which actually help to purify water. So if I don't have enough, I can always draw my tap water, and I can also use my shungite stones. Do your research, guys. You'll have to find out about shungite stones if you want to use tap water, but you're used to using mineral water in your diet. I'm showing you how to use nature's natural supplement, and that's something like sea moss. Now, sea moss has 92 of our body's minerals. And bladderwrack, which is a type of seaweed, which I've ground into a powder, can be put in combination with sea moss. Together they make a great formula, and bladderwrack has more than the 92 minerals than the sea moss, which can be implemented in your foods, like your smoothies. Here I have a sea moss smoothie with banana, berries with cherries and blackcurrants and blueberries and coconut milk, and it's great as a diabetic-friendly whole meal. This can be taken in the middle of the day, and it nourishes you, it keeps you full. It's full of B12, calcium, iron, magnesium, iodine for brain health, copper, zinc, and it's great on your joints. It's good for inflammation as well, and breaking down mucus in the body. Prickly pear, which I've juiced today, and I've coupled that with sea moss. That is an injection of the 92 minerals plus the prickly pear, which is promoted for diabetes and cholesterol, as well as containing vitamin C and E, and it's good for obesity. I've also made sorrel. Sorrel is something in Jamaica that we glean from a flower. It's very powerful in vitamin C. It can be used as a tonic. You can add ginger and lime, spices like cinnamon, and of course ginger for inflammation. It could be used as a medicinal tea, or you can just use it as a juice. I've added sea moss to that as well. On top of that, I've also made a wrap using an ancient grain, an African ancient grain. It's nice and soft and pliable, which I've used no water. I've used sea moss, and I've used the spelt flour, and spelt flour holds its minerals even after grinding, after milling. It contains all of its nutrients which are intact, unlike white flour, and it contains less gluten. These are just simple, easy ways just to implement a lot of the cellular health minerals that we need in our diet to keep us strong, to keep us healthy, to protect our immune system, to build us and to nourish our cells. There's going to be a lot more that's going to be implemented in these workshops to help you to understand how to become more sustainable. We can't just rely on where our food comes from. We need to know how to prepare our own food, where we're getting our food from, whether that's growing your own indoors on shelves in small spaces, going to your farmers markets. But all in all, these workshops are going to show you how you can even preserve these minerals, how you can put them together, store them and keep them, We don't know. It's uncertain times. Who knows what's going to happen? We need to start caring for ourselves. We have a club on there, Healing from Babylon, where we share a lot of health news, information, Carol's Organic Kitchen, where I'm showing you a plethora of dishes which are diabetic friendly, allergy free, plant-based, nutrient-dense food. Easy, simple ways to implement the nutrients that you need in your diet. I treat my food as my medicine. Treat your food as your medicine. Stay well. Understand how to become more sustainable. If you haven't already joined, go on the platform, have a look, take a browse, and look at the different workshops where I'm there live for questions and answers. There'll be a lot more going on, a lot of self-sustainable series of workshops where I will show you how to take control of your health and stay well. Thanks for watching.